On the 1st of July, the Indian government levied a windfall gain tax on oil companies, and as a result, the shares of companies such as ONGC, Oil India, and Reliance fell down like rocks. So, what's going on? Why are these companies being punished? Did they do something wrong? What are these windfall profits, and why are they being taxed? Let's understand this one by one. Windfall profits are large, unexpected gains resulting from lucky circumstances. In other words, when a company benefits from something that they are not directly responsible for. In this case, the oil companies unexpectedly profited from the Russia-Ukraine conflict that made the oil prices soar from $80 a barrel to about $130 a barrel. The oil companies had no part in the conflict. They just got lucky. But the big brother, the government, has been watching the whole thing like Robin Hood and says, "All right, I'm happy you're making the profit, but you need to share this profit with the rest of the country as well, in the form of a tax called the windfall tax." Governments usually impose windfall taxes to generate additional revenue for helping the people who are hurt because of the developments. In some cases, the tax is charged to motivate companies to slash their prices to benefit the consumers. Windfall taxes have historically targeted oil and energy companies when the oil prices have gone up, especially during war or other emergencies. In the recent past, Italy announced taxing the profits of energy companies at 25% to fund a support package for consumers and businesses slammed by spiraling energy costs in the wake of the war. Similarly, the UK announced a 25% windfall tax on oil and gas producers' profits to help households struggling to meet soaring energy bills. Significantly, windfall taxes are not just restricted to companies. They can be applied to individuals as well. For example, taxes on lottery prizes or gambling or inheritance taxes are all examples of windfall taxes. But the interesting thing is that windfall tax has both supporters and opponents. There are those who consider it the right thing to do, whereas there are others who consider it immoral. So what do you think about it? Let us know in the comments below.